So a while ago I made a video about renting out my car on Turo, and a lot of people are asking how much did I make for a total of 2 cars I have for the entire month or for entire year. So I'm gonna show you guys in this video. So this is not my first video about Turo. This video is not about what Turo is. I actually have another video about this. You guys can actually check it out on my channel. This video it's only about the income. So like I mentioned before, I have 2 cars I listed on the Turo platform. One is the Tesla Model 3 long range, another one is 2019 Toyota CHR. Tesla Model 3 long range listed for $130 per day, and Toyota CHR listed for $5 to $60 per day, depending on what day it is. So this is your Turo page. After you log in, you click host, earning, and here will show both of my car together. So right here you see it says it's $7,000 around earned in 2022. Currently it is July 18th, which means it's around halfway through, a little more than halfway through, and here is how much I made for both cars. This number over here, trip earning, is my actual trip earning, and here it shows about $1,497 for upcoming earning, which is these. That means guest already booked the car. However, wait a second, somebody booked the car in September? What the hell? Wait a second, what? Oh my god, are you kidding me? Okay, never mind. Yeah, oh my god, I just find this out. I thought they booked the car in July, but whatever. $1,400 is somebody already booked the car, but their trip hasn't come up yet. $1,100 is for reimbursement, means somebody, because it's Tesla, somebody charged the car, they charge directly to my credit card, and I'll send them a reimbursement afterwards. So these are technically not actual earning, these are just, charging fee. Around $4,000 for missed earning. What does that mean? Something like this is somebody booked the car and canceled it. For a lot of the reason, most of the time I canceled it is I either have a chat with the guest, and from the way they're talking, I just don't feel they are responsible. I just some like red flag here and there, so I just cancel the trip, which is what this $2,000 about, which is a big missed earning. And some of them it kind of get in the way me actually doing something else. Maybe I planned a road trip and I need a car for those periods, so I just canceled it. Whenever you cancel, to do charge a cancellation fee, about $20 penalty on you. So yeah, just don't cancel too much. This is how much I basically earn, and not a lot. So if we break it down into 2 different vehicles, now it's all vehicles. Let's do Tesla only. Apply. So $4,000, $4,600 is actually made this year so far in 2020 up to July, made with the Tesla. Oh, of course, missed earning, a lot of them, $2,000 for missed earning. And you can see majority of the reimbursement is from Tesla because of the charging. So if we put on the Toyota CHR, it's $2,000, $2,400 so far this year, and miss about $600. Enough to say, renting out the CHR, it's way easier renting out the Tesla. Like, you pretty much don't have to do anything. Everybody drive a gas car, everybody know what to do. A lot easier on mental part. CHR don't really do airport delivery, which actually means somebody have to come to my home, pick it up, which Tesla do airport delivery, which is a pain in the butt, which I'm gonna talk about in the next video about negative part about Turo. I have a video coming up. Please subscribe, because I'm not planning on renting a Tesla anymore in the future, and I'm gonna talk about the reason why in that video. There you can see some of my reviews. I got 1 4-star review. Pretty much all the other ones are 5 stars. These are whenever you cancel a trip, Turo do post one of these cancellation messages in your review, letting the guests know, oh, this tour host does cancel trip. Yeah, it's a quick easy video, and there is an insurance claim too. So yeah, that's pretty much concluding this video. Is basically how much I made this year so far up to July. And I will have a next video coming up, talk about a lot of the negativity about the renting the car out on Turo, and why am I now actually renting my Tesla out after July. That's why when I figured out somebody actually has a trip in September, I was like, wait, what? He actually rented in September. So yeah, that's something maybe I'll have to figure out later. That's pretty much it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to know why I'm not renting out the Tesla, just be subscribed, so I have another video coming out. And if you want to see the old video where I actually talk about the entire process, how you rent out the car on Turo, just check out my channel. I have another video before this talk about Turo. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy and see you guys in the next video.